ActiveTrack manual. Should follow me from behind. And I started from the ground, so I should be able to see the correct distance. Let's go past the camera. And see if it actually can detect where I'm going. And as a reference, at the tip of my finger, it should be approximately 2 meters 40. Notice that the Mini 4 Pro backed up when I raised the hand. So let's move the camera to point towards the football field to see if the height changes when I go down. Yeah, it actually did. We'll do that when I go up again as well. Let's see if I can lure it a bit. I have to change camera position again. Focus. Let's see if it will lose me if I'm just moving fast. Oh, it actually managed to follow me. See how good it is. Notice that when the Mini 4 Pro loses me, the tracking point reverts to a GPS point instead. Lost me. What happens if I reconnect? ActiveTrack. It should be 2 meters above me, and it should be 4 meters back. If I crouch down, will it change anything? Well, it's definitely too high. So when it loses connection and reconnects again, it's not correct. So what if I change this and then change back to close? Yeah. For some reason, it's actually still too high. So if I bring it, or perhaps not, if I bring it down, yeah, this is as far down as it comes. What if I move it back? And take it up. Will it follow me at that height, or will it go back again? No, it actually follows me at that height. So whenever there's a change, it actually do the change like that. But what if I do the same change of circle? Well, that didn't change a lot. But if I go to the inner circle again, no, it did not. So whatever change you make to the height or the distance during a flight seems to be kept. So what if I stop and do a reselection, ActiveTrack, manual? Yeah, for some reason it still will not go down. So I'll stop again and I deselect the subject selection. And what if I just drag this around myself and ActiveTrack? Oh, this is strange. So I actually have to bring it down and closer to me to get the correct distance again. So if I go closer to myself and go down again, this is as far down as it will go. How much closer will it get? Okay, this is as close as it can because I'm pushing forward now and also pushing down. So this is the correct inner. So if I continue now, it follows at the right distance and height. And if I do a change, and then I go back to the inner circle again. And then it's easy to do a check. Can I get it further down? Yes, a little bit. Can I get it closer to me? No. So it actually do changes. The height and distance is not consistent. It depends on what's happening while you're actually out flying. I'm going to start up with the Neo and I do far and high. So it's more or less the same distance as the Mini 4 Pro have on the shortest distance. This is 240. I'll just turn around. And I'll crouch down. Because you see that it will follow me then. And if I go up, it goes up. Okay, let's see how good this is at following me around this bush. Okay. No challenge for the Neo. Make it challenging, start running from here. Okay, I managed to trick it. But you see me again. And I actually only had to show my face. And then it was instantly there.